Hey guys, Angela here, day 14 of the sleep challenge. Welcome back. What has been the most helpful tip this sleep challenge for you, or another aha moment that you've had we've been talking about sleep? Go ahead and write us. I want to know. Leave us a comment below. All right, so today I'm talking about distractions. So things that could be keeping you up at night or waking you up at night, not allowing you to get really into that deep REM sleep that's really needed for proper rest, rejuvenation, and healing of your body, your mind, your sweet adrenals. So, for instance, talking about noise distractions. Let's start there. So sometimes we have a partner who snores, or we live next to a busy street, or train tracks. You really want to think about what you need. You need a really quiet room, and if you do, earplugs would be a great option. And there aren't just one type of earplugs. There's some earplugs that aren't as efficient as others. There's those spongy ones that I find aren't always great, but the ones that I find really help are the ones that are waxy. So you can try different types of earplugs. Or if you're okay with a little bit of noise, a sound machine might be a great option to drown out that snoring or that train or those loud cars, whatnot. And that's really nice. Some of the sound machines have really peaceful noises or white noise. I know I started using one when after my son was born, and I really enjoy that. Helps block out kind of external noises, distractions that might wake you up because it's a constant stream of noise. So you might want to look into that. If you sleep with a partner who snores, or you do, it might be something thinking about getting tested for sleep apnea. And another great option is, especially if your partner, you have allergies or you're sick, it's really important. Think about some other options. Like a great thing for me, I had really severe allergies when I had stage 3 adrenal fatigue. And one solution that was like no drugs, it was very cost effective, no side effects, was Breathe Right strips. And they're just a strip that you put over your nose. It opens up your nasal passages, and you can sleep easier because you can breathe better through your nose. So it can help with snoring. It can help with congestion if you're dealing with those issues, or your partner is. Another thing I loved to do was when I had serious congestion, I still do during high allergy season sometimes, is to put peppermint oil on my nose, and that really helps clear my nasal passages. It allows me to stay asleep, and also when I wake up in the middle of the night, allow me to go back to sleep much faster, not having to worry about the whole breathing through the mouth thing that's kind of annoying. So there's some great options. Another great thing is if you sleep with a partner and you guys have different temperature requirements, you don't want to be waking up because you're too hot or too cold, right? So really making sure, maybe it requires you guys to have different blankets, different covers on the bed, and those types of things. So thinking about those types of things, or maybe even if you get cold feet, wearing socks at night, something like that. So really just kind of being more aware and just kind of bringing attention to those things that might be distracting you, keeping you up, or waking you up in the middle of the night, and thinking about practical ways to address them. If I didn't address the issue that you're dealing with right now, please drop me a line. I'd love to support you in giving you some great ideas, some really affordable, easy ideas to help you tackle them. I've dealt with a lot of these, especially, another thing I wanted to mention is kids in the bed. So for us, my husband and I, my son's going through a stage where he wants to sleep in bed with us. And instead of having to wake up in the middle of the night and go in his room and help him process this and bring him into our bed and deal with him keeping us up, is to actually have him sleep next to us on the floor. And that's been really supportive for us. So just thinking about other solutions so that your son or daughter might not be keeping you up in bed, and thinking about other ways to address the situation until their stage passes. So I hope those hints were helpful for you, or gave you some inspiration or aha moments of your own. You guys, it's always so fun to be with you. Thank you for joining me for today's tip of the sleep challenge. Go rock it. Have a beautiful day. Know that health and healing is coming to you. Feel it, believe it, and become it. All right, you guys, have a beautiful day out there. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.